Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Realme 10. And to do this, let's open our settings. Here navigate all the way down till you see system settings. Go for gestures and motions, allow all of the permissions, and here we can find them. So first is screen of gestures. We're gonna cover them at the end. First let's go through all these two. There's swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. That's the first one. You need to enable it, and that way you'll be able to take a screenshot by swiping down your 3 fingers like that. There's also touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and it works like this. And now we can scale down our screenshot. Next is a screen of gestures. You need to enable them, and there's more motions right here. So double tap to wake or turn off screen, and that works for your lock screen. You'll need to lock your device and double press. I think I forgot to enable the setting, pardon me. Yeah, let's turn them all on. And now again, lock our device, double tap wakes up, double tap to lock. Next one is draw O to open the camera, and it works on the lock screen as well. Simply draw the circle and it should open the the camera, pardon me. Next one is draw V to turn on flashlight, and here we need to lock our screen again. Let's draw V and flashlight turns on, draw V again and it turns off. Music control, which you'll need to draw a specific pause, arrows to control the music from your lock screen. And here in more you can see all of the gestures and motions which you can customize, so enable them before that. Click on it, and here you can use a different function for it, like unlock, call or open specific app. Let's go with open app, and for example Google Chrome. So we need to draw this specific arrow pointing up to open the Chrome. Let's do that. It will ask us for a password, and here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.